The purpose of this video is to introduce you to probability and talk about the likelihood of an event occurring. Probability is a word we use to describe the likelihood that an event or an outcome will present itself. Obviously, in the word probability is the word probable. So how probable is an event to occur? Probability is always between 0 and 100%. You can't be below 0, you can't be above 100, but you can be somewhere between 0 and 100 or exactly 0 and exactly 100. Because probability is based on percentages, we could also say that our probability would exist between 0 and 1, because 0 is 0% and 1 represents 100%. Along the spectrum of likelihood, we have 0%, we have 100%. Events that occur 100% of the time are said to be certain to occur. And events that have a 0% chance are said to be impossible. But there's other percentages between 0 and 100. For example, right in the middle is 50%. And events that have a 50% likelihood of occurring are as likely as not. They are as likely as not to occur because it's 50% they'll occur and 50% they won't. So those percentages are tied. Anything that is above 50% but below 100%, we call this the likely zone. So starting just above 50% and all the way to just below 100%. Obviously, if you have a percentage of 75, that means you're 75% probable to occur, 25% not probable to occur, therefore you're likely to happen. And anything between 0 and 50% would be in our what we call unlikely zone. Because these percentages represent percentages, say like 40%. And if you're 40% probable to occur, then that means you're 60% probable to not occur, and hence you are unlikely. This is the spectrum of probability. All probabilities fall on this spectrum.